this beauty. Nice little Tri-5. 1955 Chevrolet 210. Two-door hardtop. Yellow and white combination. Nice look on this car. This car was recently finished. As you can see, paint is not very old on this car. There's a lot of stuff that was just done to it in 2018, 2019, when the restoration was completed. I'll kind of give you a little checklist. We'll go down, let you know what was done on it. Gonna go through my notes, but as you can see, straight car down the side of it. Nice look. You can see this paint. Nice shape. Not full of chips, nicks. Up front, bright work is nice on that grille. One you don't have to be ashamed of showing it, taking it to your roll-ins. Let you know too, if you want to check out the still pictures, go to our website, uniqueclassiccars.com, and search in the 1955s and you'll find this car. Feel free to take a look at the still pictures. Riding on American Racing wheels, as you can see, bright work up and down it. It is done up as a Bel Air, but as I stated earlier, if you go by the VIN, this is a 210 two-door hardtop. All right, some of the recent things that were done to it. It has had a power disc brake conversion done to it in 2019, and also power steering. So take a look on the front, power disc brakes. It has had a aluminum 3-core radiator with shouted fan added. Has had a new tank put it in 2019, as well as a fuel gauge and sender. All fluids were changed when these were being done, just to give you an idea of what has gone through to get this car ready for the road, ready for the next customer to enjoy it. Painless wire harness. Does have a tilt wheel. Now this car does have a 700 transmission with overdrive, so I mean it is set up to take down the road. And as you can see, B&M shifter on the center console, buckets up front. Gauges have been added. Also has a vintage AC system that has been added to it. So I mean this car is nicely equipped, ready to cruise. Custom interior, new leaf springs in the rear. Oh, the speedo cable has just gone through, so a lot of things have been done to this car to make it a fun little cruiser. Feel free to give us a call too if you have any questions. 507-386-1726. Maybe some things I'm missing on there. See the dual exhaust, nice bright work in the back, chrome on the bumper. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time, look through them, especially if you're looking for a nice 55 two-door hardtop. This one has got the eyeball. See up and down the driver's side, not full of nicks, dings, scratches either. Just kind of take you back along here. So just look at how nice that door fits too. Nice looking car. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. So snoop that over a little bit. Kind of an ivory and black interior. Match that white on the outside. As you can see, it does have power windows in here too. So wow, just a very nicely equipped car. Check out the headliner, also in good shape. Still has that original look to the dash. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it. One of the best parts about this car is how it sounds. Pressure, amps, and of course water temp. It'll come up as it warms up. Oh, later model radio. Like I said, it's kind of been done up as a Bel Air with some of the Bel Air markings, but it is a Chevy 210. Get it warmed up, slip around back. Wipers do work in it also. Had those on a little earlier. You see how nice that door closes. Come around to the back. Nice little rumble. flip up here, pause this a second, pop the hood for you so you can check out this engine bay. Alright, here you go. 350 underneath the hood, power steering. Like I said, power brakes. Has got the vintage AC added. Pedal drop carb. Nice running engine. Great sounding car. Fun one to drive. Aluminum radiator. So once again, 1955 Chevrolet 210 two-door hardtop. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation where you're located at. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Our phone number 507-386-1726. I look forward to hearing from you on this one.